Okay, I guess that's our standard intro. Hi, everybody. Welcome. I'm Steve Kahn, Berkshire Hathaway, and welcome to my virtual open house, which I think everybody is finally getting used to. Let's take a look. It's a beautiful day today. Where would you rather be? In an air-conditioned house, or you want to go out shopping for houses? And if you want to go looking for houses, I think we start virtually. And this way we can see more houses than one. I'm thinking of a way to check off all the boxes. What kind of a house are you looking for? Well, number one, you want to get away from the crowds? I got an idea. Check. You want a house that doesn't look like any other house, a custom house? I can do that for you. Check. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
Are you tired of the crowds? Are you ready to escape? Let me introduce you to your forever home.
'16 Hemlock Ridge, New Milford, Connecticut. This is a gorgeous home, just under 3,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, beautiful office, which, by the way, can be converted into a bedroom. Easy. It's big enough. Wonderful property. As you look at the house to the left, it's a wonderful side yard. As you look at the house on the right, it's just a wonderful area for grilling. You've got that beautiful gazebo. It's really a stunning house. And by the way, if you wanted to build a pool on the right side of the house, you can put a pool there. And of course, it's all, you got this wonderful wall for privacy, which I really like. So if you're interested in a house that kind of checks off all your boxes, privacy, by the way, it's on a private road, just moments from Candlewood Lake. You can walk there from the house, and we have the application, and you can apply, and you can get to use the lake. What more could you be asking for? It's a gorgeous home, and I'd love to show it to you. Now, there are several ways I can show you this house. We can do it virtually, which means I can be at the home. I could walk through with you live. We can do it on Zoom. We can do it on FaceTime. And you can say, Steve, let me see that cabinet again. Go back to the dining room. What's in that cabinet? What's in that closet? And I can do that, or I can safely take you for an in-person tour. And we do it safely, of course. We have one of these very attractive masks, we have gloves, we have sanitizer, we have boots, whatever you need to make your tour safe. And that's the most important thing. And here's the other good news. You can move into this house very quickly because the owners are ready to move. So if you're interested in seeing this house either virtually or live, pick up the phone and call me, 203-424-0227. Ask for me, Steve Kahn. There it is right there. Steve Kahn right there. Give me a call, 203-424-0227. I would love to show you this house. It's really a gorgeous house, and it does not look like any other house that you've seen because it's custom made. This house was rebuilt in 2007. The owner of the home is a contractor. He's an engineer. He's the builder. So he wanted this home for his family, so you know that he built it right. It's a wonderful home for entertaining. You saw the kitchen, you saw what that looked like. The bedrooms are wonderful size. You cannot run out of storage. I mean, there's storage wherever you turn. And of course, it's got that very large 2-car garage. Lots of room in the side yard. You've got 2 storage sheds for all your toys. And you can put a ski mobile. You could put a snowmobile. You could put a boat there. There's anything that you want to put there, you can put in this. Lots of parking. I figured it out. We can probably park with 2 cars in the garage, 4 in the driveway, and then on the side, and we can probably park about 10 cars. So I did mention it was a party house, so when you're having a party, you got plenty of places for people to park. It is on a private road, so you're not going to get a lot of traffic. You don't have to worry if the kids are running out in the front because there's no traffic. It's a private road, and moments from the lake. It's just what you want. Now, if you want to get away from the crowds, I'm not saying you want to be alone. I mean, if you love your neighbors, that's great, but you might not want to be on top of your neighbors. This house is perfect. $535,000. Give me a call. Talk to me. Let's make an offer. It is a gorgeous home. It is move-in ready. There's nothing to do. All right, so you don't like the color of one of the rooms? I'll give you the can of paint. We'll paint the room. It's a no-brainer. It's a beautiful house. It's a custom house, as I mentioned, built in 2007. So if you'd like to see the house, I feel like Monty Hall. Give me a call at 203-424-0227. 16 Hemlock Ridge is the address. Did I not give that to you? 16 Hemlock Ridge. And we can see it today, or we can see it anytime during the week. Just give me a call, and we will set it up. And it'd be my pleasure to show it to you. Once again, the address, 16 Hemlock Ridge in New Milford. I love this way of doing open houses because, that was my phone ringing. There's a cash register. I love this way of doing open houses. I don't, there it is. I don't have to drag those signs around anymore, and that's a good thing. You know, no more balloons. We haven't used balloons. I got to fill this house with balloons, and then I can. Then it'll feel like a real open house. So 16 Hemlock Ridge. Come see this house. Give me a call. Once again, that phone number 203-424-0227. I'm Steve Kahn. It's been my pleasure to show you this house. I love being with you today. If you have any questions, give me a call right now, 203-424-0227. Thanks so much for watching. Have a safe day. Bye-bye.